As food continues on its journey towards excretion, it must pass through the large intestine. The large intestine is 7 centimeters in diameter and 1.5 meters in length. There are two primary functions of the large intestine: to absorb water from the indigestible food substance and excrete this food substance from the body.
The journey of food in the large intestine begins in the cecum, a sac-like structure. Food then goes into the colon. The colon can be divided into multiple parts, including the ascending, transverse, descending, and sigmoid colon. Food goes up the ascending colon, across the transverse colon, down the descending colon, and then into the S-shaped sigmoid colon, also known as the pelvis. Food is now approaching the end of the journey. The sigmoid colon connects to the rectum. The rectum is separated into 3 transverse folds called rectal valves. These folds ensure that feces is separated from gas. The rectum leads to the anal canal. The anal canal is the last segment of the large intestine. It is made up of 2 sphincters. First is the internal anal sphincter, which is made up of smooth muscle and is involuntary. Then is the external anal sphincter, which is composed of skeletal muscle and is voluntary. They open and close the anus in order to start the process of defecation. The substances are pushed through the large intestine due to a process known as peristalsis, churning and mass movements. The last step is defecation, which is a triggered reflex that eliminates feces from the body. What facilitates this part of the process is a lining of mucus that eases the passage of feces through the colon, and eventually the anal canal. Fiber is an essential part of one's diet. There are 2 types of fiber: soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber becomes gelatinous and slows digestion so the body can absorb more nutrients from the food. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, stays in its fibrous form and helps food pass through the digestive system. A lack of fiber can lead to constipation. Click on the star to go back to the main menu.